Alright, what's going on? I know it feels like I'm always getting new parts for the car, and that's because I am always getting new parts for the car. So here today I got 3 things to open up. Well, one's already opened up. Here is an NRG Ops wire tuck little harness. I'll show you guys how to do that in a little bit. And then we have 2 more boxes right here for the Lancer. Just a quick little hint, they are going to be inside the engine bay, and they are popular things that people swap out all the time. So I'll go ahead and show you guys what I got. So let's go ahead and see what's behind box number 1. Box within a box. Always gotta love that. As you can tell, I got my water bottle in the back. We'll find a spot for that. But here it is. Go ahead and open her up. I was about to say, I'm feeling a little gypped here. But here's the other piece that I was looking for. Little carbon fiber engine oil cover. I'm not gonna lie, for what I pay for this is pretty good quality. This is nice and hefty. It's gonna go on with some tape on the backhand side. So we'll go ahead and throw this on the car, get it seated down first. Once it's in position, we can actually take off the back side of the tape and orientate the rally art the way we want it to. That way it's sitting just like that. Contestant number 2, this was the NRG Ops little plug and play harness. This is going to let us hide away all of our valve cover wiring, so that'll be coming in handy. Yep, so there's item number 2, and last but not least, item number 3. If you guys can kind of see the direction I'm going in, you can probably kind of take a guess on what this is, but let's go ahead and get it open. Ooh, she pretty. Ready? Oh, she is better looking in person. This is a little valve cover for the spark plugs. As if you guys haven't seen my engine bay enough, here's what it looks like. Well, we're going to go ahead and ditch this engine cover. We will also be hiding this harness with our little extender. So basically all of those are going to get tucked underneath our injectors and the fuel rail. Kind of snake to the side all the way towards the back. That's what this guy does. Obviously our oil cap. This guy right here, which is really nice, it's gonna sit right on top just like that. So first things first, let's go ahead and hide away this harness. That way we can get this cover on without anything getting in the way. And then lastly, we could do our engine oil cap. So let's go ahead and get this ugly harness out of the way of our valve cover. I'm gonna go back here, disconnect from here. There's a little connector. You disconnect from there. Our little routing points from the stock location. Just a simple pinch and a push out. Like I said, a simple pinch and a push. Comes out. Again, pinch and a push, and you'll be able to go ahead and pull this right on out of the way, just like that. Take our handy dandy NRG Ops little cable, connect the male and female end here. You hear a nice little audible click. Now this is pretty long, and we're just gonna go ahead and route this one right back here to the stock location. Now before I go any further and with actually like tucking this underneath our fuel rail and stuff, I want to make sure everything's gonna work. So now that that's all plugged in, let's go ahead and start the car, or at least attempt to start the car. Fingers crossed. Fires right up. Good to know. So let's see, before I go any further, let me catch you guys with what I did. I disconnected a connector here, and from here, here's that little leg that I just disconnected. This was from back here. So now this is all loose, And my plan is I'm going to go ahead and cut off all these little clips, give us more room to squeeze through here, and feed it right underneath. That way I can run the one here and the one to the side without it in the way. Alright, now that we have a nice smooth cable, let's go ahead and feed it underneath. Alright, this is what we're looking at. I have everything tucked away, kind of zip tied this. I ended up keeping this bracket just because it kind of cleans it up a little bit. Looks a little nicer than kind of just all jumbled up down here. Had it routing under here, pops up on the other side. Already connected these two connectors. Runs along here, keeping clear of the belt. Here's the connector to our extender, and then right back here I have it there kind of hiding, tucked away, and as you can see I zip tied all the excess back here with an out of sight out of mind type of thought process to it. So that is a lot cleaner. I'm happy with it. I'm happy with that. And since we're not going to be rocking that cover anymore, I can go ahead and ditch this little bracket, so I can remove these two little bolts. Remove this tab, and this one, along with these two, and we can go ahead and throw on that rallyrack cover. Because the 1, 2, 3 bolts line up. 1, 2, 3. So these two little prongs up here are 10mm. Alright, now that this is a nice smooth surface, we can go ahead and slap on our spark plug cover. Oh, this engine bay is definitely transforming for the better. So wire tuck done, spark plug cover done. Last but not least, let's go ahead and do that engine oil cap. Oh no, I don't think this is gonna fit. Well, this was a total bummer. This is actually too big to fit on here. As you guys can see, just way too big. I thought I ordered the right size. I didn't think there'd be too many different variations. But this one's definitely smaller. Which sucks because that looks like a killer combo. Look at that. Alright, well there you have it for today's video. Got the little wire tuck complete. A lot cleaner of a job. Looks a lot better underneath the hood in my personal opinion. We also got the spark plug cover installed. And we actually need to do the engine oil cap because for some reason it has the wrong size. They told in the description it said it fits all Lancers and whatever. However, ordering off eBay, that's sometimes the risk you guys have, which is a real bummer because this thing is super nice. Doesn't look cheap at all, but it was 40 bucks, so a waste of $40. Maybe it'll be a little desk magnet, but other than that, now I gotta go hunt for a new one. But here's the new look. Pretty happy with it. So if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns in regards to any of the wire tucks, the valve cover, lay a comment down below. Just to show you guys some detail right there. So it's not just painted on, these are actually lasered in. Gotta clean her up a little bit.